Imagine a job where a 99% success rate ain't good enough, where every single second you are responsible for thousands of lives, moving multi-million-dollar machines through a 3D puzzle at 500 miles per hour. So this is air traffic control, the most stressful, rewarding, and exclusive career on the planet. Today I am showing you exactly how to join the 1% who actually passed the FEAST assessment. So the FEAST is a standardized battery of psychological and cognitive tests designed specifically to identify candidates with the unique mental architecture required for ATC. Exam structure. It's a three-phase progressive filter. So you must pass each stage to unlock the next. Now, it is designed to be mentally exhausting to test your performance under fatigue. To save your time and for your convenience, I have designed a table for these three phases with their respective contents. Let's talk about the phase 1, which is cognitive and English, and this is the foundation. Key modules. Cube folding. This means visualizing 3D shapes from 2D nets. Now this is considered the hardest part, and there is a sample question for the practice on this module. Spatial orientation. Rapidly identifying positions and headings of aircraft. Coordinate system test. So it identifies points on a grid with extreme speed. Planning ability, which is sequencing aircraft based on landing rules. Another is number recall, that is memorizing auditory data while solving math distractions. Finally, English language, which is a testing, listening and comprehension. Phase 2, ATC work samples, that is the simulation. Key modules, DART or Dynamic Air Traffic Radar Test. So you manage aircraft in a radar sector, issuing altitude and heading changes to maintain separation. Another one, multipass. It's a multitasking test where you manage what's given in the image simultaneously. Phase 3, personality profile. Now this is not an aptitude test but a behavioral check. So it measures your stress tolerance, decision-making style and reliability. And there are no right or wrong answers, but there is a target profile for a successful control. This was all. Thanks for watching.